Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make the Nigerian samosas. So if you want to know how I came up with this crusty and tasty Nigerian samosa, continue watching as I share with you guys how I came up with this. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. Here I have ground beef. All right, so I washed it, then grinded it. This is Irish potato. I'll be using four medium size. This is green peas. So this is the quantity I'll be using. 1 handful. All right. This is fried shallots. Is a spice. Curry powder, 1 teaspoon. This is rosemary spice, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Vegetable oil. Here I have pepper, that's red pepper. I have fresh ginger, fresh garlic, and I'll also be using this carrot you're seeing here. That is 3 carrots. And here I have green pepper, seasoning cube, and onions. All right, so the next thing is to put the chopped potato into a clean pot. Then I've added the green peas and the carrots. I added little salt, and I'll be adding water as well, and I'll be cooking this for 3 minutes. So guys, this is it after 3 minutes. I'll be transferring it into a sieve to drain water. So the next step is to add or put the grounded meat into a clean pot, and I've added the grated garlic and ginger, and I've also added the spices, that is the rosemary spice and the shallots, and I've added also the seasoning cube, and I'll give it a stir. I'll be adding salt. I've added the curry powder, and I'll be mixing very well. Make sure you mix very well. So in the frying pan, I added little vegetable oil, and I've added the chopped onions, and I'll be frying for like 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'll be adding the grounded meat, and I'll be stir frying for like 7 to 8 minutes. I've added the chopped pepper, that is chopped green and red pepper, and I'll be stirring as well for like another 2 minutes. Then I'm adding the cooked carrots, potato, and peas. So I'll be stir frying for 5 minutes. So this is it after 5 minutes. I'll be transferring it into a plate to cool. So this is it, to cool completely. So after that, I'm sifting the flour. This is 2 cups of flour. And this is half tablespoon grounded or grated nutmeg, butter, teaspoon salt. This is 5 tablespoons vegetable oil. I'm mixing everything together. Please, for the nutmeg, it's half teaspoon. All right, guys, take note. So when you mix everything together, I've added the first 60 ml of water. And I'll be adding another 60 ml, making it 120 ml of water to 2 cups of flour. So guys, take note of this. This will give you a crusty samosa dough. This measurement will give you a very crusty samosa dough you will enjoy. So guys, knead until non-sticky but stretchy. All right, so we'll be covering it for like 15 minutes to stretch more. So this is after 15 minutes. So as you guys can see, it's stretchy but non-sticky. So take a little and spread the dough. Then you'll be using any circle stuff of your choice. I'm using the cover of my pot. We're carving out a circle shape. Then we'll be filling. This is the mixture of flour and water. We are using it as a sticker to help us seal our samosa, to avoid it from busting when frying, guys. So make sure you take it round. Then I'm adding the samosa filling in the dough. So guys, it's time to fold the samosa. Samosas usually have a triangle shape. So this is a triangle shape. Seal very well. So this is it. The next step is to heat up your vegetable oil and fry. Guys, you're going to love this samosa recipe. So you're going to fry on both sides. Until brown. Guys, make sure you try out the samosa recipe. You're gonna love it. It was so tasty and crusty, like crusty. So this is it. It's done. You'll be transferring into a paper towel to drain excess oil. My kids didn't allow this to stay, guys. Like they so much enjoyed it. They so much enjoyed it. Isn't this yummy, guys? Isn't this yummy? Don't forget to try it out and leave me a comment in the comment section. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. See you in my next one and have a lovely day. Love ya.